Oh! Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
and
Matt
from where are we? Bullion Now. BullionNow.com. You're always having too much fun in here.
Yeah.
What are you lads doing? I'm going to let you guys talk. Go.
Hey?
Yeah.
Take it away, Michael.
We are unboxing the long-awaited Werewolf.
These are incredibly cool. I'll say that preemptively. I haven't even seen them yet, but people have been hounding me. Pun intended. Yeah, they always say, "What are you getting a 2-ounce coin in?" So they are finally here.
They are finally here.
This follows on from the series that also had the Kraken.
Yeah, what's the series called? Can you remember?
Mythical. Oh, I wanted. It's something like Mythical Beasts or something like that.
Mythical Creatures.
Ruben will chuck in a little subtitle with the correction, I'm sure.
Creatures of the North.
That wasn't even close.
I wasn't close.
In the neighbourhood.
So we have more than one box, don't panic. We got tossed out of the shop. We couldn't do the filming in there because there was too many people coming through. So we just grabbed the one box and came over to the other office to do the unboxing.
He's an ominous looking fella.
You get nervous around the knife, mate.
Well, maybe put it down because you don't need it anymore. There we go.
Got a glove?
Yeah, always.
Oh, mate. Even though you're on the phone.
Yeah, even when I'm in there.
Incredibly prepared.
When I'm at home, I'm sitting on the couch and...
Got the one-handed glove.
Yeah, you never know when you might need a glove.
How about you do the honours?
Here we go. Well, oh, it's already slightly...
They do, in
Open
transit,
up.
they rub up against each other and it splits the seal around it. So if you receive one of these and you see the seal is slightly torn, like that one is right there, no, we haven't pre-opened it. It's just the way they vibrate loose as they cross the Pacific, I suppose it is, isn't it?
Well, you should know. You're the guy who was doing the flights, right? Have a go at that. That is incredibly cool. Now, it's a beautiful design, but the thing that jumped out at me was the fields in that upper region. I really like how they've done that because the Canadian Mint are now quite well known for all the radial lines and all the security features and things like that. But it's actually quite nice to see that they've just left a bit of blank space in the design here.
When you say fields, what do you mean?
The fields are the portions of a coin that don't have any design in them.
Ah.
So I guess it is a little strange that the thing that jumps out at me
is the empty space.
Is the vacant space,
No,
which I think is quite nice because sometimes you can get a little carried away
Absolutely.
on the design of a coin, but this is actually really cool.
Nice. Absolutely. That is beautiful.
Look at that, catching the light.
Nice. Fine silver 2-ounce argent pure from
Perfect.
Canada. And what's on the other side?
No,
Take a guess. Take a guess.
Show the side shot because that's the best shot.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, a reeded edge.
Chunky
Look
they
at
are.
that.
A chunky reeded edge. That is
Yeah.
lovely. That's a great name for a band. Chunky reeded edge. There we go. Fantastic. And
Hard to flow when you're surrounded by musos.
yeah, that's right. And who, pray tell, might this be?
I believe this is Queen Elizabeth II.
Okay, you didn't get my pun there. Who, pray tell? Werewolf, get it? Pray? Okay, never mind.
Oh, you've completely...
So
everyone's going to be laughing at me
straight
saying...
over the...
P-R-E-Y, pray.
Yeah.
Oh, I get it. Yep. Very clever.
Thank you. 2021, of
Pretty
course.
sad when someone has to explain it, though.
Yeah.
Wow.
And
You play the hand you're dealt, right?
a $10 face value.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's a 2-ounce coin.
Who did the image, mate?
This effigy, I don't think this is Jodie Clark. I don't know who's done this.
I'm disappointed.
Who is it?
I have no idea, to be honest.
Oh, come on,
You
yeah,
know.
you winded me up. Set me up to look like a fool. But
Oh, you know.
I actually don't like this effigy. It looks almost cartoony.
Ah.
It doesn't
Really?
it doesn't do it for me. I
well-
feel like she looks a little more
Oh, no, I
a
can
little more
understand.
regal in the more detailed
It looks,
designs.
yeah, it looks a little simpler, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks younger, too.
Looks a little scaly. I don't know, something like that.
Oh,
just following on.
Let's do it now.
See?
The big test.
It's going to be a running...
As you've
focus.
seen, these come naked in the tube, but we have some 2-ounce capsules. And I want to know
Before
if
we
they
go
fit.
on, just before we go on, there's a little preview mark, a little maple leaf with the date in there, or the year. So
Oh, really?
21, just to the left of Mr.
Okay.
Wolf's
Yep.
noggin.
Beautiful. Autofocus. Oh, yep, right there.
Technical term.
I think so. I believe so.
Just to the left there. Of
Yeah,
his face.
the maple leaf, and on it's very, very small, but inside that is the year 21.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right, back to the test.
Capsules, yes?
Well, we'll see.
Okay, let's find out.
Looks
So
like
far, so good.
Hey, we have a capsule. Passes the
Shake test.
the Def Jet engine hearing test. Yeah, so it looks like we've got some capsules for those who would like some capsules. If you order 1, 2, 3, 4, they'll probably come encapsulated. If you order, I don't know how many's in a tube, I haven't actually looked yet, but if you're ordering
Usually
like 10 or more...
14, isn't there?
14, yeah,
Something like
actually,
that?
I think you might be right.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Yeah,
You've
so
done this
14.
before, Joe.
Yeah, so if you're ordering kind of 7 or more, you're probably going to find that they come in a tube rather than encapsulated. You can always say, look, can you chuck a capsule in or 1 or 2 capsules and encapsulate them yourself? But yeah, we find that encapsulating 14 at a time gets a bit wearisome after a while.
A little cumbersome.
And a bit expensive. So yeah, so that's the Royal Canadian Werewolf in the 2-ounce silver.
Yeah.
As part of the which series?
Creatures of the North.
That's the one.
There you go. As I suspected. I just didn't say it at first.
I like the recovery, mate. That was smooth. No one will have noticed.
All right, and we got to like, share, subscribe.
And all the good stuff.
Yeah.
And that's it from me.
And from me.
And me.
Nice one.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.
See ya.